As always, you're alive and blessed. Welcome to now. In the previous video, I taught you guys how to trade market analytic on a bearish market. In this video, we're gonna do the vice versa, how to trade it on a bullish market. Guys, it's the same key principle as always. You know it. Even though prices on a bearish or bullish, we don't care, but at least we understand it, and we're gonna profit either way because guess what? We know how to scalp. We know how to intraday, we know how to swing trade, and we know how to long-term invest hold because it's a gap. Eventually, I'm going to show you guys how to trade the gaps. So guys, same vice versa guys. We understand now on the weekly time frame and day time frame, prices mitigating and prices on the uptrend. As you guys can see, there we go. So we have the supply zone right here. We have a demand zone here, and up here, since price mitigated this supply zone, up here will be our extreme supply zone. As long as price, guys, I always told you this now. As long as price break past the supply zone or demand zone, it's gonna continue going in that direction. But first, what it's gonna do is gonna make a fake breakout. So you guys could also trade the fake breakout, but do not be greedy and take your profit quick as possible. So how do we trade the weekly time frame? Simple. As soon as price tap into the demand zone and respected that demand zone, do not just jump into the trade because butter say it tap into the demand zone. Wait for the extra confirmation code on the pullback, because you guys know the pullback is the key. As long as the previous pullback don't break the previous low, we're all set. So we want to enter there, and what, just like that, we take profit at always take profit at the first demand zone or first supply zone. Do not be too greedy and cocky and wait to the extreme, because guys, yes, this would be a good profit here, but guys, take profit here, and what you guys could do, take your profit here and wait the price to either break it or disrespect it. But as long as price tap into the supply zone or demand zone, we will take our profit. That would be our first trade, and we will wait. And as you guys take profit here as a quick scalper, what you will want to do, because as you guys see price break it, it's going to make a quick pullback. So how do you guys trade the pullback? Put your stop loss above the previous high right here, and guys, take profit. You guys have to set your take profit where you want to take profit, because price could come down right here, eventually going back up. You don't know how far this fake comeback is gonna come back to, because you don't really trade this. But as a quick scalper, we want to get the advantage. Even though this is not a high probability setup, as a scalper, you don't really care about all of that. You want to be in and out of the trade. So you guys would also trade this as a scalper right here. So that's how you do it, guys, on a bullish market. And like I said, guys, we don't really care if prices on a bearish market or bullish. We make profit either way, but at least you understand what I'm putting down. So guys, after you understand the weekly time frame, you will also go on the 15-minute time frame, where it will be a little bit more complicated, but it's the same principle. We have the breakout structure, and you know, guys, every time price make a breakout structure is going to always retrace. So as price mimic the breakout structure here to form a what? Let's go through this with you guys. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. As you guys can see, we had breakout structure happen, and what price did after breakout structure here, price always retrace. But you just don't want to enter, because a lot of retailers traders will just enter on the because they see price make a sharp V shape here, they want to enter in the trade. No guys, wait for the pullback to happen. As long as the pullback here, guys, as long as the pullback previous low do not break the previous low, we're all set. The pullback is an extra confirmation code, guys. Wait for the pullback to happen before entering any trade. As you guys can see, the pullback happened here, you will enter there. As you guys see, price came up into this demand zone here, but it tried to come up into this demand zone in this supply zone, but it failed to, right? See, it didn't touch it, guys. If price was to touch it, it would, even though price didn't touch it, it's fine, but it's a little risky. So even though price came back down here, and we had a little market shift here to the downside, right? So price supposed to make a downside, but guess what it did? It came back down. It respected this demand zone, because that's where it all started over here. So price went back up, break past it, even though this right here was a flip switch, because why? This supposed to came up here, but it didn't. So guys, the market could really do whatever, so you guys have to adapt. But one key principle, even though the market could do whatever, one thing I noticed of my years of trading, what the market always going to do is going to always make a pullback. And as long as the pullback here, guys, did not break past this pullback, we're all set for the trade. So what you guys want to do here, to you guys would come here and put your pullback over there, and you will just trade the pullback. And just that, guys, that is how we do it on the 50-minute time frame. With that being said, guys, I hope both of these videos, guys, find you guys impactful and helpful. Until next time, stay blessed. As always, mind your business.